Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, March 15th, 2001, 8 am. Current medicine is unaware of an important aspect of man, which will only be revealed much later. Not only would this dimension not be understood, but it would also be wrongly interpreted and so would not be helpful to man. The karmic aspect, which is so important, is ignored. There would be much to say on the issue. But what's the point in addressing it, since in the present state of affairs it can be seriously considered? The personality of an individual as a whole is determined by his karmic attributes. His way of life will all that results from it. His genetic assets, health, character, and the resulting behaviors. The channel represented by family, race, and social conditions. All that is chosen according to lessons to be learnt in the incarnation. Health is important in this system. It has many interconnections throughout one's life. Medicine is very often misleading. It does not consider man as a whole and relates whatever it does not understand to subjective and erroneous causes. It will take a long time to get rid of hasty and easy theories that it contains itself with more and more. By referring all or most of the unexplainable pathological states to psyche, it adopts a simplistic approach without addressing the heart of the actual problem. In a few decades, men having wandered into dead ends will open up to the reality of human beings. Babuji. Same day at 10 am. To you, my dear son, nothing should either disturb or unsettle you. The mission is in a process of radical transformation which it will continue for quite a while. It must both purify itself and gain strength. Its strong points must emerge as well as those who are capable to serve it intelligently. It is not always easy to detect the real human and spiritual capacities of human beings who move in different parts of the world where our mission is established. They must prove themselves for quite a long time. Remoteness doesn't make things easier, but within this decade, a strong organization will be set up as far as responsibilities are concerned. Your common sense and your shrewdness in this domain will foster the desirable inspiration. India is the chosen country for our way. Our compatriots are capable to seize all its related subtlety and strength. In the West, it is establishing itself differently. It is necessary to give time so that minds can adapt and grasp the real dimension of the privilege granted to them as they come to this way. The motivation of Abbasis is not clearly defined, hence the hesitations, the lack of follow up and real interest of some of them. It does not matter, the richness of our method is within their reach, and all they need is the will to use it. They will know how to make their choice in due time and derive the quintessence of it. As always, we support you in your undertakings and bless you, my dear son, Babuji.